Toll free 1-800-329-5858. My guest today is attorney Tom Callan. And Tom, I want to review a little bit about the Wekiva River Parkway project. Number one, about 500 property owners are going to be affected. There is a $500 million budget for the taking of property, not building the thing, just taking property. That there is a map out there that's, in fact, in your office. You could look at anybody's property and tell whether or not they're in this project. Right?
Yes.
Exactly right. And it's the northwest corner of the Beltway. And we have Juan from Lake County. He's going to ask us a question about that. But before we get to Juan's question, I want to talk to you about your experience in eminent domain and why it's important for anybody that's facing eminent domain action to have an attorney with experience.
Well, like, for instance, the Wekiva Parkway. In the past, what I had done, I've represented people on the Beltway elsewhere when their property was acquired on the south part of this western Beltway. And I've gone to trial in those cases. And I've helped the appraiser devise a compensation package for the owner. And it's important to have that experience. That experience is what makes you a lawyer better and also what makes the client's case better. And what also, when the condemning authority knows that you have that experience and you're trial tested and you're the guy who hires the right experts, then your client's going to get more money. And that's what's the important part about that.
Well, later on in the show, we're going to talk about eminent domain from start to finish, from the time the client homeowner gets a letter through a trial. But when you talk about doing a trial in eminent domain, is it a jury?
Yes, it's a jury of 12 people.
Awesome. Fascinating. So I want to hear a little bit more about that in detail. In the meantime, let's go to Juan. He's in Lake County. He's got a question about the